In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Wise Debit Card abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Wise offers a convenience and cost-effective way to make international payments and withdraw. With the standard debit card that they offer, you will be able to make international payments. So it's as simple as using the card normally. So if you haven't acquired the card already, make sure that you download the latest version of their mobile app or you talk to them over any available phone number and you will be able to sign up to acquire one of their cards. By using the mobile app, you will be able to set up your free account in minutes, order a card, and start managing it. In there, you just have to make sure that the card is active and that it is authorized to be used internationally. Like I said, you can check this on the mobile app or talk to them over the phone. And once the card is active, you are good to go. You can load it up with various different currencies and do the exchange on your own. Or alternatively, just use the card normally. So when you use the card online by presenting a card number, expiration date, and security code, or you use it in store by swiping or tapping it, the currency exchange will be done automatically by Wise. So Wise generally has lower foreign transaction fees compared to traditional banks, and all that you have to do is use the card normally. They will handle the currency exchange for you, and there might be some fees included, so keep all of that in mind. If you want to be extremely safe, you can do the currency exchange beforehand, but this isn't strictly necessary. Be aware of any ATM fees if you are withdrawing money from a non-affiliated bank ATM, but regardless, using it is as simple as just activating the card and doing it just like you would in home soil. Everything should work flawlessly and you don't have to spend time setting it up or doing your own currency exchange. And as long as you use the latest version of their mobile app to manage the card, you will be able to use your Wise Debit Card abroad. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wise Debit Card abroad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.